everyone. Today I am here to tell you about a case study. This case is written by Mr. Rakesh Mia, President of Applied Forensic Research Sciences, and presented by Muskan Mehra, Volunteer of Applied Forensic Research Sciences. About the case study, which is Srimati Rajwati, widow of Sri Shamlal versus Sri Shanu Hassan. Criminal Appeal number 789 by 17. Date of judgment 1st February 2020. Court, Delhi District Court, Bench, Honorable Devendra Kumar Jangala J. Relevant section, Section 279 in IPC, rash driving or riding on a public way. Section 338 in IPC, causing grievous hurt by act endangering life or personal safety of others. Section 468 in IPC, forgery for purpose of cheating. Section 471 in IPC, using as genuine a forged document or electronic record. So let's start with the backstory. In this case, the petitioners of injured, now deceased, Sri Shamlal is seeking compensation for the injuries he suffered in the accident which occurred on 2nd April 2017 at about 8:50 am near Red Light Pranami Hospital, PS Adarsh Nagar, Delhi, stated to be caused by rash and negligent driving of the vehicle, that is, tempo bearing registration number DL1LV1187. The case-wide FIR number 142 by 17 under section 279 by 338 IPC concerning the said accident was registered at PS Adarsh Nagar, Delhi. The detailed accident report DAR concerning the accident in question was filed before this tribunal on 11 September 2017 and DAR was treated as a claim petition under section 166 clause 4 of Motor Vehicles Act. During the trial, the injured Sri Shamlal had expired on 1st April 2019. Wide order dated 14 August 2019, the legal heirs of the deceased Sri Shamlal was brought MACP number 789 by 17, FIR number 142 by 17, DOD 1st February 2020 on record. On 2nd April 2017, the injured Sri Shamlal, now deceased, was crossing the road near the Red Light, Pranami Hospital, Adarsh Nagar, Delhi. In the meantime, the tempo-bearing registration number DL1LV1187 being driving in a rash and negligent manner by the respondent came from the bus stop side and after taking the U-turn, it hit the injured Sri Shamlal from the backside. Due to the forceful impact, the injured fell and suffered grievous injuries, that is fracture of the right femur and other injuries all over his body. The injured was removed to BJRM Hospital where his MLC was prepared. Thereafter, he got further treatment from Dr. Mukesh, Orthopedic and Trauma Center. It is stated that the injured remained under continuous treatment and follow-up treatment and unfortunately expired on 1st April 2019. The offending vehicle was owned by respondent Sri Bhagwan Singh and it was insured with respondent ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited. Medical examination report. MLC of the injured showed that he was taken to BJRM Hospital immediately after the accident with an alleged history of RTA. Again, there is no challenge to the said document from the side of the respondents, including the insurance company. Judgment. Respondent number 3, ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited, is directed to deposit the award amount in terms of aforesaid directions with SBI, Rohini Courts branch within 30 days as per above order, failing which it shall be liable to pay interest at 12% per annum for the period of delay. The concerned manager SBI Rohini Court branch is MACP number 789 by 17, FIR number 142 by 17, DOD 1st February 2020, directed to transfer the entire award amount immediately to aforesaid petitioners in her aforesaid saving bank accounts mentioned supra on completing necessary formalities as per rule.